Today, we're diving into an incredibly powerful Delaverse AI agent that could be a game changer for your business. The Supply Chain Risk Prediction AI agent. Imagine having AI on your side, spawning potential disruptions before they happen, and helping you keep operations running smoothly. No more last-minute surprises. This AI agent pulls in real-time data from your sources, runs it through smart AI analysis to predict risks, generates easy-to-read reports, and even sends instant alerts to your team. It's perfect for anyone in manufacturing, retail, or logistics who wants to cut down on downtime, save costs, and make smarter decisions every day. Whether you're dealing with suppliers or global shipping, this setup keeps you one step ahead. Getting started is super straightforward. Head over to the Delaverse Playground at playground.delaverse.ai and log in with your account. Once you're in, create a new project. Just click the New Project button and name it something like Supply Chain Risk Prediction. From there, you'll drag and drop nodes onto your canvas to build out the AI agent, like piecing together a puzzle that watches over your supply chain 24/7. Let's break down the key pieces of this AI agent in simple terms. First up is data retrieval. Think of it as your AI agent's eyes and ears. You can grab info from a Google Sheet, if that's where your supply data lives, or connect directly to an API for live updates from platforms like your online shop system. Just add the right node, link your accounts, and set it to pull the details you need, like inventory levels or shipping statuses. Next, the heart of the magic, the AI assistant node. This is where the AI takes over, crunching your data to spot risks, like supplier delays or market shifts, and suggesting ways to handle them. Pick your favorite AI model, tweak the instructions to fit your business, and watch it generate insights that feel tailor-made. Then, we've got report generation with Google Docs. The AI's predictions flow straight into a doc, creating a clear, shareable report with all the details your team needs. No more digging through spreadsheets. Finally, alerts via Telegram keep everyone in the loop. Set up a bot, connect it, and boom, critical updates hit your chat instantly, so your ops managers can act fast. On the tracking side, this AI agent shines with its risk metrics dashboard in the reports. You'll see things like an overall risk score, a quick snapshot of potential issues, breakdown by categories, like logistics or supplier risks, predicted timelines for any hiccups, and even impact levels. It's all about giving you clear visibility so you can prioritize what matters most and track how your supply chain health improves over time. The real payoff? By predicting and dodging risks early, you're saving big on unexpected costs, like rush orders or lost sales from delays. Operations managers get actionable advice to optimize everything from inventory to sourcing, turning potential headaches into smooth savings. Plus, with automated reports and alerts, your team spends less time monitoring and more time growing the business. Want to level up? For advanced tweaks, customize the AI prompts to zero in on your industry-specific risks, like international trade tariffs or seasonal demands. Test connections one by one. Start with data pull, then AI analysis to ensure everything flows perfectly. If you're using APIs, double-check your endpoints for real-time accuracy. And don't forget to set up triggers. Go daily for steady checks or hourly if things move fast in your world. Pro tip: save changes often and document your setup for easy updates later. In the end, this supply chain risk prediction AI agent empowers you with proactive insights, crystal clear reports, and instant notifications that make risk management feel effortless. Say goodbye to reactive firefighting and hello to a more efficient, resilient operation. Jump into the Delaverse Playground today, build this out, and watch your supply chain thrive. Let's predict the future together.